So in this video, as you can see today, you will be going to learn stages of civil suit. So before going into this video, mark this as an important question also for the mains point of view. So there are 18 stages in a civil suit. So what is exactly a civil suit? A civil suit is a legal proceeding between the two parties to claim for the damages. So these two parties, one is plaintiff, the other party is defendant. So two parties in a suit who go for a legal proceeding to claim damages, this is called as a civil suit. So in this suit, there are 18 stages. So these stages is nothing but the entire procedure how a civil suit functions. So here is a scenario. First, let us look into the 18 stages. So the first stage is presentation of plaint. Second, issue of summons to defendant. Third, appearance of parties. Fourth, ex parte decree. Fifth, interlocutory proceedings. Sixth stage, written statement. Seventh, production of documents. Eighth, examination of parties. Ninth, discovery and inspection. 10th, admissions. 11th, framing of issues by the court. 12th stage is summoning and attendance of witness. So after witness gets the summons, he should appear and hearing and examination of witness takes place. Next, arguments. 15th stage, judgment. 16th, decree. 17th, appeal, review, revision. 18th stage, execution of decree. So these are the stages, that means the procedure how a civil suit is being instituted and the stages in this civil suit. So most of these are covered in the orders, right? So we have 51 orders in CPC and most of these are comes under few of the orders. So these are a glimpse of what all stages are there in the civil suit. So now if we look into it, presentation of plaint comes under order 7. So after plaint is being presented, service of summons on defendant. So the second stage is summons are being sent to the defendant. Order 5, summons. So after being sent, the parties should appear in the court. Appearance of parties. Fourth stage, after being even the summons have been sent and received by the defendant, but the defendant have not attended the court, has not appeared the court, then ex parte decree is passed in favor of plaintiff, right? So the next one is interlocutory proceedings. So interlocutory proceedings are nothing but interim or temporary proceedings or orders which are passed during the process of suit. So these orders include injunctions, attachment and arrest of property, appointment of receivers and commissions. So all these come under interlocutory proceedings. So the next stage is filing of written statement by defendant. So as you all know, after receiving the summons within 30 days, written statement should be filed by the defendant. The next one is production of documents by the parties. So what all the documents plaintiff and defendant has in their power and possession, they have to produce such documents to the court. So here comes the production of documents by the parties. The next one is examination of parties. So this is said in order 10. So where the parties are examined after their documents are produced. 9th, discovery and inspection, order 11. Admissions, order 12. After all this 1 to 10 stages, issues are being framed by the court. So the next one is summoning in attendance of witness, which is order 16. So after summons are being sent to witness, the witness appears in the court and hearing of suits and examination of witness takes place as per order 18. So the next stage is arguments, which takes place. Fifth one is judgment. 15th one is judgment, which is order 20. So order 20 includes judgment and decree. So this has 20 rules. So in order 20, you have 20 rules. Do not get confused. So orders are 51 orders. So each order has some rules, right? So judgment and decree order has 20 rules, in which 1 to 5A rules speak about judgment and 6 to 20 rules speak about decree. So here comes the next one, preparation of decree. So after this, the next stage is appeal, review and revision. So all the appeals are covered from order 41 to 45 orders. So the next one is review and revision. So coming to the orders for review and revision. For review, it is 47 order. So revision has no order. So 46 is reference in orders, right? So the last stage is execution of decree. So this comes under order 21. So these are the main stages in how a civil suit should be instituted. So go through these 18 stages, just have a recap so that you will be remembering what is the procedure and how the case goes on, what are the stages and how are they being implemented. So see you in the next video. We'll be discussing how to remember 51 orders in easy way. So if you do not subscribe the channel, do subscribe not to miss any important updates or videos. Thank you.